camper, T2 camper van, set number 100279. Took me a little while to build, took my time. I did this little surfboard with it too. This little surfboard. And here's the finished product of it. It's big also. And tires turn. Good right there. This opens up. This opens up too. And the door. Pops open with this little lever here. It slides. Here's the front of it again. I built it without no stickers because I got crooked eyes. And I'd rather not place them crooked. I enjoyed the build on it. I like the technique on it. I like the little flap right here that comes up also on it. It does work. It's just I got chairs up here too with it. I got 2 chairs. But I enjoyed it. Sorry for Racket, they're working on the pool right now. It does roll too. I still need to change the angle on the camera. But, you know, I give it a good 7. It was a good build. Just takes a little while to build with 2,207 pieces. But my next build would probably be the Bowser, the Super Mario Bowser will be my next build, which will probably take a little bit more time. Just get a break from the vehicles for now. I did enjoy it. See, no stickers. Everything works on it. You know, I got the hood. I broke it. The only thing is this real sensitive stuff does break pretty easy on it. Had to rebuild some parts because small pieces fell off the edges of it, on the edge. But either way, it was still nice, but still little pieces here and there. You had to figure out where they went back to. Just no stickers. And then the doors do open also. Doors open. Seats there. Seats over here. It just doesn't take much for it to fall apart on little stuff, little edges and corners. Had to keep on rebuilding. And here's how the bottom looks like. You know, the engine little parts. It's pretty, you know, just took me a little while. And everything opens like it says. This opens. Has a little lever for this door to open. For the detail in there. It does close too. Be careful with it. Like I said, it's kind of fragile when it doesn't close correctly. The top part does come off, but I don't want to take it off. And this opens up. Little stuff falls apart on it, like this. Trying to pop it back in. Of course, it's fighting me. Great. It's falling apart on me. Flip it over this way. See if I can fix it real quick. Let's see here. I'm just trying to put it together again. I should have never opened it. This is what shows in the engine right here. You just pop it in with this right here in the cover. I'm still trying to kind of fix it without me. There we go. Slide this back in, and I can see. Back in again. Here's where it's going to go, that little red. Here's where I'm going to plug that in. Falling apart again. And just little pieces come apart. That's what happened to me every time I started building it. Alright. I'm gonna put this back together, but I enjoyed it, and my next build will be Bowser. So hopefully it'll take me a week or two probably. Alright, I'll get back with you. Bye.